Traders, Anthony here, looking at Bitcoin. I like what I'm seeing on the chart at the moment. What we've got is a build-up of liquidity through here and here. So we've got this range running through this level here, and you can see that this has been hugging this weekly support zone here, this support level right through, and then we get this move down into, this is a weekly and a monthly level down in here, and we've got this 4-hour accumulation range from previous times. What I really like about this is this move here, this dip down, drawing on liquidity, sell side liquidity. All right, so you can consider that smart money's been working this level. Now they push it down into this liquidity pool, and I'm wondering whether this is gearing up now to the market is looking for two things. It's looking to rebalance, and we've got these purple ranges here that I've marked up, 4-hour imbalances. It's looking to rebalance, and I mean it's hunting liquidity, and we've got a ton of stop losses resting above here from these guys shorting. That is ripe for the picking, right? And then stop losses under here from this range, right? So this could be fuel enough for the big boys and girls, whoever they are, to do that. So let's just consider that this is a possibility. The kind of setup I'm going to be waiting for is going to be, I want to see a break of this range, but I want to see a similar move to this here. I want to see that happen above. If we get a long thin candle above the range here with a vengeance, right, that would be a really good sign in my opinion. And then, you know, it trades back down, rebalances, and then I'm going to be looking for this to kind of create some sort of base, given that we've got this and that, this to come back down, form some kind of, by the way guys, if you haven't already, check out the links below. I've got a YouTube channel, free Telegram group, website. You're welcome to the free trade signals that are on offer. So coming back here, yeah, I would like to see that happen first, and then we get some kind of a base that this rotates, and then on the lower time frame we see this start to trend up. That would get me in with a buy, definitely. All right, now I've got targets up above here. That's one level, and then we've got the base of this distribution up here. All right, so there's two target levels here I'd be looking for. Now, if this does set up and you know, we get an opportunity to go long, my setup is going to be something like this. Right, if that happens, go for broke with that. I'd probably look to set my stop loss probably under this low to start with, but it just depends. I mean, if this holds here and then we see it trending up and it's hanging in there, then most likely that will come up under this low over here, something like that. And then, I mean, look, go for broke with that, you know, until we get a break of structure. But what I tend to do with all of my trades really is I'm looking for a 1-to-1 risk reward, and or slightly less than that. Let me just show you. I'll mark that up. Let's just say we get an entry in here. Okay, and we're going to go long. This is my risk reward tool. I'll show it to you. You can copy it if you like. Let me just open that up, take a screenshot. Okay, 0, -1 here, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, blah, 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 up to 10. And then I've got 0.8. I tend to take TP1 slightly less under the 1-to-1. So you can see that's marked up here in purple. So that's yeah, it's the base of this imbalance is going to be target 1, something like that. So at that point, I'm going to look to take 2/3 of my position off, 65% I think to be more precise. But, you know, take most of the position off, and then at that point pull the stop loss up so that it's actually in the money and risk-free. I'll open 3 positions. Okay, I'll close 2. And I'll keep 1 running. That's basically what I'll do with that. And I mean, if that's the case, you got 1/3 of your position running, and just leave it in there until, you know, we get a shift in the if this trends up, we get a break of structure. Guys, that's my take on it. But I mean, this idea is only valid if what I mentioned in the video shapes up. Otherwise, you know, this could very well roll over. But what we need to see is a thin candle like this. We've got to see a strong push, nothing left and right of the candle, right? A strong candle creating a bullish imbalance with a lot of drive behind it. And then I want to see it come back down, rebalance, and then, as I mentioned earlier in the video, you could go back and watch it again if you like. This holds and this starts to trend up on the 5 or a 3 minute chart. And then my entry point's going to be fairly, it'll be fairly low down, if this is trending up on the lower time frame, down in around here. Something like that, guys. So, yep, click the links below and comment. I'd love to hear from you. Hope you have a great day. Safe trading. And let's see if we get something out of it. Apart from that, well, then I'd be looking to sell up around, however, wherever this trades. But we've got this imbalance. We've got this imbalance, so if we trade up into here, I could be looking then for the same setup, but a bearish scenario, and then, we could short it. All right, with that, I hope you have a great day, safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one. Hey, by the way, guys, share the video, send the link out to anyone you think who might benefit from this. Righto.